Hi students, now please look at question number 5 of page number 194. In the question it is given, prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosec A plus cot A. This is a very important question. So when we solve this starting from the LHS, we have LHS, that is what, equal to cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Here what we will do is divide each term of numerator and denominator by sin A. Okay, that is equal to what we will do, divide each term of numerator and denominator with sin A. Okay students, in the numerator and denominator each terms we are going to divide with the sin A. So what we will get, cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A by all the terms of numerator we divided with sin A. Similarly, in the denominator also we are going to divide with sin A. Why we are dividing with sin A? Okay, how can we remember that? That I will show you just now. Okay, now we are dividing all the terms of denominator also by sin A, that is cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Okay, I will show you why we divide. Okay, so here the reason for dividing is, here it is cosec. Look at cosec. Cosec is inverse function of sine, isn't it? Cosec we can write it as 1 by sin A, isn't it? And here we have cot A. Cot, it's what? Cos A by sin A, isn't it? Cos A by sin A. Okay students, so both the terms, its denominator is sin A. So keep in your mind, so with sin A we will divide all the terms of the numerator and denominator of the LHS. Okay students, now the similar question is there in your textbook, page number 192 of your textbook, example question. So solved example question, example number 15. Just refer that. That also you can solve in the same method. Okay, in the textbook they have solved in different method only. There it is, instead of in the RHS it is sec A plus tan A. Okay, so there sec, its inverse it is cos. So you will divide each terms by cos in the numerator and denominator. Okay, now listen here. So here cos A by sin A, what is that? Cot A minus sin A by sin A. Sin A by sin A it is 1 plus 1 by sin A. What is 1 by sin A? It is sin A, it is inverse function of cosec A, isn't it? So 1 by sin A it is cosec A by, here we have cos A by sin A, cos by sin it is cot, plus sin A by sin A, sin by sin it is 1, minus 1 by sin A. What is 1 by sin A? That is again cosec A. Up to here it's okay students? Any doubt? It's clear, isn't it? Now here we have cot A minus 1 plus cosec A, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now what we will do is, in the numerator and denominator we have 1 is there, isn't it? Here there is 1 and here also there is 1. So we will substitute, instead of any one of these ones we will substitute cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, we have the identity, isn't it? 1 equal to what? Cosec square A minus cot square A, isn't it? We have the identity, we have studied this identity, cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1, isn't it students? So that cosec square A minus cot square A, instead of 1, Either in numerator or denominator we will substitute any one of the place. Okay, not in both the places, any one of the place. You can substitute over here or in the denominator also. So now I am substituting in numerator. Okay students, so that's equal to cot A. First I will rewrite this as cot A plus cosec A minus 1. I'll take the 1 to the other side, okay, so that it's easy for you to understand. Cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now in the numerator, I am going to substitute, instead of this 1, I am going to substitute cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay students, so this will become cot A plus cosec A minus, instead of 1 I am going to substitute cosec square A minus cot square A from the identity. Okay, so it will become, instead of 1 I am going to substitute cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, in the denominator there will be no changes, so it will be cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Okay students, now here in this bracket, when we look at, we can see that it is cosec square A minus cot square A. Cosec square A minus cot square A. It is of the form A square minus B square, isn't it? That we can rewrite it as what? What is A square minus B square? That is A plus B into A minus B, isn't it? So we are going to expand it. Here there is no change. So that will be cot A plus cosec A. There is no change. This bracket we can again expand as cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. Okay students, by denominator there is no change, cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Hope you got. What I did is that this cosec square A minus cot square A, I expanded it using the formula A square minus B square. A square minus B square is what? A plus B into A minus B. That's it. Hope you got. Okay. Now when we look at this in the numerator, we can understand here cot A plus cosec A is there. Here also cosec A plus cot A is there. Okay. Now there are two terms where cot A plus cosec A is common. Okay, so that cot A plus cosec A I will take outside the bracket. Okay, so that is cot A plus cosec A I took outside. Now when I take cot A plus cosec A outside, what's remaining there? 1, isn't it? When I take this outside the bracket, then there will be a 1 minus. Now this is gone outside, so what's remaining? Minus of cosec A minus cot A. That's it. By in the denominator I will write the same, that is cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now I will open this bracket. Okay, so that's equal to cot A plus cosec A into, when I open this bracket it will become 1 minus into cosec, it is minus cosec, minus into minus it will be plus cot A by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Okay students, now when we look at this, both these terms, here 1 is positive, 1 is positive, minus cosec A negative, here minus cosec A is negative, and cot A is positive. So this complete terms together we can cancel. Okay, so finally what is remaining? That is equal to cot A plus cosec A. That is what? That is a RHS, isn't it? That's equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay students, Hope it is clear. So please refer textbook page number 192. Solved example question is a example 5, example 15. Just try that. That also you can solve in the similar manner. It's a very important question, students. Take it to notebook. Thank you.